Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to drive my truck around, and today I am recording on my laptop. You know, my camera, this camera, kind of is kind of slow and it makes that noise. So that's why I'm using the camera on my laptop. So I'm gonna drive around, and you can also get one of these electric trucks stuff, cars. You can also get one too, like me. I have four of these. Like my mom and dad bought four of these. So yeah, I'm just gonna drive around, and you can see how fun it is. Or you can just get out of video, and yeah, so just look at that one, look out that window, and you can just watch all the stuff when I'm driving. Okay, let's go. So I'm gonna try to go around the street. Oh, let's do that. There. So, yeah, I know this was a really short video because I'm about to end it because I don't really like my laptop here because it's falling and all that. But I don't want this to crack. I don't want the screen to crack because I got this for my birthday and I don't want to crack it because I just got it yesterday. I don't want to break this. So make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.